Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the equalizer for Steelseries Arctis 7 Plus. And to do this, here in the Steelseries GG app, it's strongly recommend to download this app to adjust the equalizer. You'll be able to see the Arctis 7 Plus. Click on it, and inside there's an equalizer. You can adjust it using these sliders. And there's also presets that you can change. So we have flat, buzz boost, smiley, focus, or a custom. And if your equalizer is blocked by a sonar, that's the other thing with a GG app. Here you have a sonar that also has its own equalizer, and I would also recommend to use this one instead of the equalizer with headphones. But if you truly want to use the equalizer in the engine, then select the settings, scroll down for the sonar, or actually in the general, select general, and there's a sonar that you can disable, and that way you'll be able to adjust the equalizer. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.